Hey you guys, we are taking a stroll and the kids and hubby. Like I've been literally on my computer working, so it's really a good way to let out the stress. Now why did you shock?
Can I skip?
Don't fall, don't fall.
If is that how to skip? We're having fun, guys.
Bathing station.
You got to the bathing station.
Me too, a little bit.
So I'm back home. We're back home. I'm kind of tired. Kids are having their baths, and my hubby is watching UFC fights. Guys, I don't know how hubby has mind to watch UFC fights because it's really scary. Like I hate it. I feel like it's too dangerous. Just see me. Just enjoying it. See. Just see. Hey.
Is the fence any factor here, Michael, for Quarantello in terms of his offense with his back up against the fence? I guess it's normal.
This hair has lasted. What's going on? This hair has lasted. She used to dodge. I'm surprised. It has lasted unlike before.
Right now, or Billy Quarantello. Always gotta look at that eye. Pause in the action inside.
Okay, so guys, I want to make olas. I'm so dark. I like it. I like the glow. Like, so I want to make olas food dinner. I'm making rice, and let me just show you guys what I'm making. I'm showing you. Tired. I'm sleepy. I'm tired. So I'm just trying to finish up my edit. So guys, so I want to make my bed, and then I want to have my bath and go to bed. I'm really tired. I've been saying I'm really tired, but somehow things just come up to do. So that's what I'm going to be doing right about now.
I'm so flagrant? Who am I to taste flavors? Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I to taste flavors?
I just finished having my bath. I wanted to show you guys something. What did I just do? Okay, so for those that were asking me what toothpaste I use for Ola, it's actually the Maclean's milk teeth for 0 to 6. We're supposed to buy the older one, but we didn't see at the time we got this one, so she's using this one for now. I don't think it's going to have any effect. And then I wanted to show you guys something. If you guys have been following my channel, then you know my mom actually got black soap for me. Guys, lately I've been using it for the past, I think, 2 months, and the rate at which I'm getting Deka, you're glowing, you're glowing, you're glowing, it means the soap is doing something. So I just liquefied the soap, some of it, and I kept it inside Ola's soap bottle. It finished, so I just put it here and liquefied it, and just, you know, so it's really good. It really works. It doesn't dry me out. It's nourishing, like it, guys, it nourishes my skin. So I wanted to tell you guys, for those that are interested, if you're interested, it's not mixed with anything, it's purely black soap. I'm not a professional skincare guru, so I'm not planning to mix it with anything, even though my mom told me I should mix it with some things, turmeric, blah 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 blah. But if you're interested to get the black soap, let me know in the comment section or send me a DM, and I would plan on how I can get the black soap in bulk. I'm not going to buy it 114 because it's going to cost me a lot of money. My mom actually bought it in Port Harcourt, so I have to reach out to her, you know, so it has to be plenty. If I get at least maybe 50 orders. Right now, since I've been using it, I love it. I've been using it for Jina and Ife, and the only complaint is that, Mom, it's painful, you know. So that's the only complaint. But it's actually, like, look at Jina's skin, guys. Like, I'm not even joking. My kids are glowing, I'm glowing, and I'm really happy that I went back to, because I used it for a while. Like, I used it and I was like, so I'm really happy that I went back to it, and I don't regret. So if you actually want the soap, it's actually big and it can last you for over 2-3 months, depending on how you use it. A little goes a long way. Like this, if I just do like this, piam piam, it's okay for my whole body, and I'm really big, so a little goes a long way. It's going to be sold for 3,000 naira. If you would like to get it, let me know in the comment section, and if I get at least 50 people that want to get it, then I'm going to order for it. That's what I just want to feel, guys, you know. Let me go to bed. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So this morning I'm actually making spaghetti, fried plantain, ugu sauce, then stew. Ola, say good morning. Ola, you're looking at your sister eating. Ola is looking at you. Ola, do you want to eat? Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat?
No fish. No fish. Fishy. Okay, Ola, check.
Huh? You fix the bag. No, leave it. Like, did you dry it up?
Dry what?
Keep, no, Ola put it in her mouth now.
Mom, can I give Ola fish?
If you want.
I'll let Ola eat it in her.
Come on, give her now.
Yay! I want to give her.
I'm feeling so messed up.
Ola, don't eat.
Hope there's no bone inside.
No bone. I checked it.
Guys, I just finished filming a video. Ola, I'm about to make lunch. It's late, guys. This is after 3. My kids are supposed to be eating by now. I was doing a video. I just finished eating my beans. The kids are still eating. It will take hours to eat. Let me not even talk. Anyways, so I don't want to shout because I don't want the kids to know. But I'm supposed to take the kids out tomorrow. We're going to brother. Okay. My friends and I are having like a gathering, a hangout with our kids. So I'm going with them, but they don't know. No, there's no light. It's shaky. They came and then he took again. I mean, he went off. So maybe I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So we're actually at Central Park. Today is Salah Day. I'm with the kids. We came to hang out with my secondary school classmates. All of us are here to have fun.
Ife, it's okay.
I'm trying.
I should come and bring you
If I
down.
don't push my leg, I'll stop. Like, let me try. See, I'm getting lower. Me too.
What? Can I even enter here?
You can't. You catch me!
This one they do content. I they envy your final work. I know they envy the process.
Stressful.
Where's the toilet for children, please? Yes, you got. Hola. Your sleep.
Egg fried rice. 3 plates.
3 plates of egg fried rice. 3 plates. Who want to chop 3? They go chop one.
No, 3 plates for 4 of us.
She's not in the mood.
It's a Ribena. She pour it on the chair.
Let's play. Hey guys, let's go me. Okay. My slippers are sliding. Now. My slippers is sliding.
Which rice is this?
It's for Jina them. Egg fried rice.
She don't so. They go the shrimps rice. Shrimps rice are already. Now they pour 4 shrimps. Oh, I'm trying to bag it. How are you pour?
Some money in Metro Cafe.
Hello?
Is it nice?
Anything chicken is okay. That's what you said. Okay, same from there. I want to be. Take this one. This is very good.
Mom, my tummy is no more paining me.
Because you eat.
You want to go and play?
Okay. What about me? I'm the last.
It's not watery, that is why. It's not
I
wet.
need to get water. Stay here.
Can you use that thing and bring water? What will you use and bring water? If Jina, what will you use and bring water?
Okay, guys, that's it. I better stop me.